If you're looking for a quick breakdown on how to use ShopWired for B2B businesses, then stick around, because this video will walk you through exactly how you can leverage this platform for your B2B needs and more. By the end, you'll know if ShopWired is the right fit for your business, and I'll also share some of its biggest limitations you should be aware of. First off, ShopWired is a UK-based e-commerce platform that's particularly well-suited for businesses looking to sell products online. It's often praised for its simplicity and ability to integrate with various payment providers, which makes it easy to get started. But is it truly ideal for B2B businesses? Let's find out. Next thing, when you create a ShopWired store, you're getting an easy-to-use interface with drag-and-drop design features. The setup process is fairly simple and quick, allowing businesses to focus on what they're really good at selling. It does offer features for bulk pricing, which is essential for B2B transactions, and custom quotes, which is a must for businesses dealing with large orders. However, if your B2B model relies heavily on advanced features like custom integrations with ERP systems, ShopWired can feel a bit limited. For some, this might be a deal breaker. The third thing to consider is the pricing structure. ShopWired offers a range of plans with varying levels of functionality. However, the lower tier plans don't provide all the tools that B2B businesses might need, such as advanced reporting or integrations with other business software. If you're looking to scale your B2B operations and need advanced features, you'll likely need to go for one of the higher tier plans, which might be overkill for smaller businesses. The fourth thing, ShopWired's customer support can be hit or miss. While they do offer a comprehensive help center and 24/7 support for certain plans, some users have reported slow responses to more complex queries, which can be frustrating if you're running a B2B business where time is of the essence. Now, let's talk about the alternatives. If ShopWired doesn't fully meet your needs, there are other platforms designed with B2B in mind. Shopify Plus, for instance, offers advanced B2B features right out of the box, including customizable pricing, quote management, and a full suite of integrations with other business tools. It's definitely worth considering if your B2B business needs that extra layer of flexibility. Another strong contender is BigCommerce, which also excels in B2B support, offering multiple pricing tiers, seamless integrations, and advanced reporting, things ShopWired lacks. So, while ShopWired is a good option for small to medium-sized businesses, B2B companies with more specific needs might find it lacking in certain areas. That's why I highly recommend checking out the alternatives I mentioned earlier. Before you go, here's the deal. I've got an exclusive, extended free trial for ShopWired that you won't find anywhere else, perfect if you want to test the platform out before fully committing. And as promised, I've also included some amazing alternatives that might be better suited for your B2B goals, and they also offer free trials. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, if you're looking to build a better B2B e-commerce business, make sure you check out the links below. See you in the next video.